Hello everyone and welcome to Psychology 302, Section 2, Advanced Research Methods Testing Hypotheses. My name is Dr. Lauren Ray Gardner and I'll be your instructor for the course. This is a welcome video and tour of our course site. You will see I will post weekly announcements with updates on our front page. You can also see our course banner at the top here. If you look along the left navigation pane, you will see all of the items you need to click to navigate through our course site. First, we have our Getting Started link, where you can see information about our first week of class and how to best prepare for our course. Please be sure to read the syllabus through in its entirety. Next, you'll see the announcements page, which will bring us back. You will then see our syllabus, and you can access the syllabus, and contacts, where you'll be able to see my email address, a photo, and a brief bio. Important to note is our weekly assignments link, where you can access what we'll work on each week, with some due dates and assignments posted. Also important is our discussions link on the left, which will bring you to our discussion boards, where you're going to post and then also reply to peers. There are some additional links with resources and reference materials about the final paper, exams, and other helpful links. I want to welcome you to our class. I look forward to a great semester. Thank you, and I'll see you in our course. Welcome. All best, Dr. Lauren Ray Gardner.